Mastering elegance. Understanding polished and poised. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of English phrases, specifically focusing on the terms polished and poised. These words often go hand in hand to describe someone's demeanor or appearance in a highly positive light. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding these terms can add a touch of elegance to your communication. So, let's get started and uncover the full meaning behind being polished and poised. When we describe someone as polished, we're talking about more than just their physical appearance. A polished person is someone who is elegant, refined, and sophisticated in their mannerisms, speech, and overall presentation. This term suggests that the person has put effort into their appearance and behavior, displaying a smooth, refined quality that is noticeable and admirable. Polished individuals often carry themselves with grace and are meticulous in their choice of words, their dress, and their interactions with others. The key to being polished is in the details, from a well-pressed outfit to a well-structured sentence. On the other side, being poised refers to someone's composed and assured manner. A poised individual exudes confidence and self-assurance, maintaining a calm and balanced demeanor in various situations. This term goes beyond mere physical appearance to encompass one's ability to stay calm under pressure, display confidence in social settings, and react gracefully to unexpected situations. Poise is about balance, grace, and self-assurance. It's a quality that reflects a person's inner strength and calmness, making them appear dignified and in control at all times. When someone is described as both polished and poised, it's a compliment of the highest order. It means they have mastered the art of presenting themselves elegantly and confidently, blending external refinement with internal composure. This combination is powerful in professional settings, social gatherings, and personal development, signaling a person who is attentive to detail, respectful in interactions, and capable of handling challenges with grace. To develop these qualities, focus on improving both your outward appearance and inner confidence. Practice good grooming habits, choose your wardrobe carefully, and work on your communication skills. Equally important, cultivate a calm mindset, learn to manage stress effectively, and approach challenges with a positive attitude. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be polished and poised. These qualities are not just about looking good but feeling confident and prepared on the inside. By embodying these characteristics, you can navigate the world with elegance and assurance. Thank you for watching, and remember, the journey to becoming polished and poised is a rewarding one, filled with personal growth and learning. Keep striving, and see you in the next video.